Another success story that is just recently raised is the DFM usage. We got a small, simple cylinder. By the way, you see there's a gap underneath. I wanted to get pictures, but we are aerospace and defense, so they didn't allow me to add pictures to it. In any case, it was kind of simple cylinder. And we are using MBE in concept, so the user sent the cylinder to the manufacturers, several manufacturers, at least 10, and most of them returned saying, no bid, we don't want to manufacture this cylinder because it's too, the price, it will take us a lot of time, a lot of efforts, we don't want to do it. So we sat down with the engineer, went through aPriori, and found a specific GCD that took a lot of time and a specific tool. We figured out that it was an undercut inside the cylinder. We talked with him, said, okay, why you did the undercut? He said, I have no idea. It was a combination. It appeared that the cylinder was a combination of two items combined together, and it was the cavity. So the cavity automatically gave the undercut. He went along with it. After we removed the undercut, of course, every manufacturer said, okay, we can manufacture it. The price was reduced by 56% or something like that. More than 50%, that's the important stuff. So the DFM and the complex and simple design were a good success story for us.